Welcome back, MWhalekiller over here. We're gonna do a vid today. It's going to be a vid about Solana and some other altcoins. So I'm just going through some things, some altcoins, some opportunities, some thoughts. So yeah, I think a lot of alpha today. And well, you may disagree, you may agree with me. So please tell me in the comments below. And let's see what's going to happen. So let me first of all, the ones that have been DMing me for the private, most of them have been added yesterday. The ones that haven't been added is the requirement from the team is that you active trade. So you active trade. So you need to have funds on Weex and you have to be active trading, and that's how to get access. So just opening a Weex account and thinking that you can be added is not how it works. It's also the way how we can keep those scammers out of our private group. So it's a free group. The only requirement is that you active trade. So the links are below. So let me Solana. Everyone that has been following me for a while knows I don't like Solana. And it has nothing to do with the technology. It has nothing to do with whatever. It's pure, the reason why I don't like Solana is because it's ruled by the most scammy whales available in the world. And the most scammy, wealthy whales in the world also pay and hire most influencers in CT to FOMO and shill Solana to death. So that's why I don't like Solana. So it has nothing to do with the technology, it has nothing to do with it's the people behind it. And well, I've said a lot of things about Solana and I've exposed a lot of things about Solana. So everyone that has been following me for a while knows why I just don't like Solana. I don't like coins that wreck retailers. It's just how it is. So if someone is buying Solana at 50 cents and the whales are buying it at 20 cents and retailers are buying for 50 cents, okay, I'm not going to say much more about it. So to understand this chart, we first have to go and look to the other charts. So first of all, let's start with Solana versus Bitcoin. This is an impressive run we had. This is on the weekly. And then we came down a bit, and this is when Bitcoin was taking over. This is when Bitcoin was making that big rise up, and it's really mind-blowing to me how Solana has been holding this range over here. It's really mind-blowing to me. Let me show you guys the indicator. By the way, guys, this indicator in every vid I'm telling you, I really do not understand how any person having or owning a TradingView account or is trading or whatever is not owning this indicator. I really don't get it. I really just don't get it. So every person that is watching this vid, this indicator, it's free. And you should have it on your charts. So if you want this indicator, you can get into the free private trading group, and I will give you the code so you can add it to your charts. Because I'm also receiving a lot of DMs on my TradingView page. So people are sending me DMs on my TradingView. MB, we need the indicator. We need the indicator. The indicator is getting blocked by the Pine editor script guys at TradingView. They don't want my indicator on there. Why? Because it's better than all the ones they made. That's why they don't want it. Are blocking it. So you can only get the code, and to get the code you need to come to the private, and in the private I will give you the code. So to get into the private you need to be trading on Weex or Mexc, and the links are below. Send me UID, DM me on Twitter, and I will give you access like I gave yesterday. There was something like 10 or 15 people that joined us only yesterday. So look at this indicator. This is mind-blowing. Broke up here, test, boom, test, breakdown, This is, guys, there is maybe no other explanation for this indicator than the one that I'm showing you now. This is really, this is really mind-blowing. Broke up, retested, come up, retest, boom, pump, come down, close below it. This is now resistance, 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 resistance. Look at it. Test the resistance, because this is the most important one, because this is when the biggest shorts get in. Is on the retest from the breakdown. Look at it. Boom. Retested indicator. This is really mind-blowing. It's really mind-blowing. And then come back. Going up. The indicator go down. And then indicator go down. No, 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 yes. See it? And then when yes happens, come back, retest it. And when yes happens is when the rise comes. It's, guys, really, I've worked really hard making this indicator. And by making this indicator, a lot of people, well, was it so hard to make this indicator? It's not about the indicator. This is nothing. I made this in maybe like 30 minutes. It's about the values I had to put in to create this band. That's what I've been working on for years, and really, I have to say, I'm the most proud of myself on this indicator that I made, because I know that I made a lot of retailers a lot of money, and I saved a lot of, more important, I saved a lot of retailers from getting wrecked that are using this indicator. So, okay, well, guys, over here, look at this. So on the rise up, while Bitcoin was pumping, those freaks were holding like crazy over here. And look, they held the indicator up, 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 up. This is, guys, this is really, there is really these Solana bulls or whales. It's really mind-blowing, these guys. They're really strong. And you know, and something that even surprised me even more was this. Solana versus ETH. Look at this. I warned everyone over here to get out of Solana and flip to ETH. So congrats to everyone who took this trade and made a lot of gains. How much was this, by the way? How much was this? This was from here. Yeah, you made like 30-40% flipping a Solana to ETH. So easy money. So now it's the same. Look at it. It came to the indicator and also this support level, by the way. Boom, 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 and then it's ramping up again. It's really mind-blowing. I don't know. Is there any Solana ETF coming out from which I don't know anything about? Because it looks that way. It looks like there is some. There's not an ETH ETF coming out. There is a Solana ETF coming out. This is really, guys, this is really mind-blowing. I really don't get it. But, you know, that's why no matter how my feelings are about Solana, I hate Solana. But it doesn't mean that I'm blind, and I'm not blind here. Solana is showing a lot of power even against ETH. So for me, this thing up, we got this resistance line over here, and then this box. And when it reaches this box, we might have maybe something like this that we had made them like this, and then come down, support, a double bottom M formation, and that we come down from there. It's possible. It's possible. But if this thing will do something like this, from which I don't expect, by the way, and then come back, support over here, and then from here. If this happens, guys, I will be really I will be really getting crazy if this happens. If this scenario happens, I really, and I don't care about Solana, by the way. If it goes to $1,000, I really don't give a damn about Solana. I don't buy Solana. I just don't care about Solana. But guys, look at this. If this happens, but that's not what I'm expecting. So we need to, the probabilities, probably there is a high probability that we will see something like this come back, bam, and then come back. And this is when to be very bullish on Solana, by the way, if you are a Solana bull, because over here is when you have to be bullish on Solana taking over all the liquidity from ETH, because that's how it works. Money goes from narrative to narrative, and normally we should see the ETH narrative. So for now, I think this is just a scammy trap to get liquidity in over here in Solana, so the dump will be harder when it breaks this support level and come down. So that's what I think. That's what I think. Probability. That's what I think. So let's go back to the USDT pair. So the USDT pair now, for now, very simple. We had this sort of a trend line over here that is holding for now, but I think this, if Bitcoin goes up, this could be broken very fast. So the 176.77, I also share this in the private, by the way. So you guys, you know, I've always warned a lot of people, never ever short or long Solana, because Solana is a very scammy coin. Just stay away from it. But in the risky group, so not in the Mexc Weex group, but in the Weex exclusive risky group, I shared this trade today. And well, if this thing comes into the regions of the 175, 176, this could be a short opportunity to make some nice money. But I have to say that the Bitcoin pair and the ETH pair are showing a lot of strength. So this will be a very, very risky trade. But that's all about the risky trade on Weex. So it's a risky trade, the 177, 176. So I think that the guys over there, they know how to trade. They have the indicator, so they know when to jump out and take a small loss and get in at higher levels, because this is the next level. That's the 206 over here. This is the next level that they will probably scaling in again. So, you know, I share the charts and they do their thing and they know how to protect themselves while trading. Let me go to the next one. Guys, I shared this one yesterday. I will repeat myself. I remember this monster. This monster destroyed so many bears in the bear cycle. I think it was when the war started in Russia and Ukraine. This thing was madness. But guys, listen to me. Listen. Look at it. Then he put on the Indy. It's trying to break above it. It's trying to break above it. Let me zoom out. Look at it. Guys. This thing dumped so hard versus Bitcoin after that big rise up. By the way, this was that rise up. Yes. It was in 22. Yes, this was that rise up. It's over here. By the way, guys, for the ones that haven't been following me for a long time, the team made their biggest P&L shorting waves from here in history. I gave them the call over here. They made the biggest P&L short ever in history, was on waves, by the way, on this drop. So okay, but that's something else. Let me head back to the chart, because here we were bearish, now we have to be bullish. You know, remember, here we were bearish, but now we have to be bullish. But guys, this thing is trying to break up. I think that they're in a long, maybe. I think they're in a long. I don't know for sure. I think they're in a long. But guys, this thing. Look at it. It can go even lower. Right? It could go to these regions, but you know, you have to do some research about waves and the fundamentals. If they've got some things going up, because I'm just pure showing the charts now. It's not that I don't know anything about the fundamentals of waves at this moment, to be honest. But guys, look at this. So I keep saying, I show you the charts, you do the fundamental research. There are some coins that I do my research on and I know that they're good, but guys, waves, I'm telling you. Let me check something. One moment, please. Let me check one moment, please. because these things will come back when Bitcoin dumps. Yes, this has got a 537 million market cap. The volume at this moment is 706 million. Let me go to the Weex USDT pair. Look at this guy. Look, 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 what a beauty. Look, it's, you know, if you want to risk money, up, up. If you want to risk money, you never know, this might happen. This could happen, guys. I'm showing you the opportunities. You guys, Flux is going bananas, guys. Flux is really the hodlers. The hodlers are about almost going into 4x since I shared Flux. I also posted about it yesterday. Flux is going bananas. We were talking about Flux. The buy orders were at 48 when I gave the call to buy Flux, 48 cents. So it's already, yeah, it's 3.5x in what is it? What was it? 1 month, 2 months? I don't know. Flux, really crazy, madness, Flux. But I told you guys, it's my number one altcoin, number one Flux. I told you it's my number one. If you bought in like shared, you would have a 3-4x by now. Okay, but Weex, what's going on, Weex? What are you doing, Weex? Weex, what are you doing, Weex? What's going on here? Weex. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. This thing. The volume is huge on this thing. Next level is 7.5. I'm saying to you, next level is 7.5. And then after that, our next level is this one. The $11 range. And this is where you have to be cautious a bit. So this is a 3. Listen, this thing was at 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, it was at $2. You see, we broke the indie over here, retested it beautifully. Look, $2, and now it's at 4.6. That's a lot. So, guys, Weex, and I'm not bullish on Weex because of this chart. I'm bullish on Weex because of this chart. Look at this guy. What if those Bitcoin wheels will start flipping Weex? This thing will fly up like crazy and wreck everyone that is shorting it. So that's about Weex. Let me go to the next. Let me do Flux because it's breaking out. Let me show you guys where is my Flux. Wait a minute, let me find my Flux. Where are my coins, my altcoins? Fluxy. Here it is. Oh my god, look, it's breaking through resistance, guys. I told you to buy Flux over here, 48 cents. Over here, 48 cents. Listen, Flux, yeah, no, Flux is breaking out. It's breaking out, so this will, nothing will hold this. The next level is, what's the next level? I told you guys, the next level will be 2.1. That's a 5x, a 4x, yeah, 4.5, almost 5x from where we were buying Flux over here. And as you can see, it was beautiful. Above the indie, came back, retest. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This thing is just going. And look on the BTC pair, guys. We're just breaking out. Look, we broke out of it. Look at it. We broke out of it, came back, retested the indie perfectly, and then off she goes. Look how much this thing, if this thing will come to here, you know this thing will fly. This will reach the $2 range like nothing. So, guys, it's my number one coin, and I've said it again and again and again, and I said, listen, to all the people that are watching this vid and are not pushing the like button, are not reposting, and not commenting. I told you to buy Flux. It was my number one coin over here. Over here it was. 48 cents. It's on my Twitter. Go. I never ever remove a post on Twitter. I told you it's my #1 altcoin. #1. I was going to buy a lot more if it would drop into this box. Didn't happen. But you've got the Indy DCA buy-in 48. Listen, over here I told you this is my #1 altcoin. Just look at it. Look at it. Since I shared that, boom, boom, came back, retested, boom, 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 boom. You understand now why I'm sharing you. It is my #1 altcoin. Go to my X and find it. It's over there. Flux, my #1 altcoin. I have to say my top 5 altcoins are all flying. Chelo is flying, glmr is flying, Jasmine has been flying, a lot of coins have been flying like crazy, but this is my #1 coin. All my coins are flying like crazy, but this is my #1 coin. Look at it. It's a beauty. So okay, enough about that. Coti. Guys, I wanted to give you guys an update about Coti. Let me remove this all. Coti, guys, Coti is just cooling down. That's what's going on over here. Coti is cooling down. So Coti, on every drop it goes, I will buy Coti. Coti. So when the pullback on Bitcoin happens or some scammy dump or whatever, guys, Coti. I cannot repeat myself enough. Coti. So if Coti comes back to the 70 cents regions over here, everything and below it, I will be a buyer. Coti. So just in case you know. glmr update also. glmr is very simple. We've got this trend line going up. You can even make it something like this. So glmr, everything around 47, 48 cents. If we come back and or lower, I will be a buyer of glmr. We made this nice run up, made a lot of money. If this thing comes back to the 50 cents, 49, 47 or below it, I will just be a buy. So that's about that. Let me go back because there were other coins I wanted to talk about. They were also showing a lot of strength. Yeah, Bake, yesterday there was someone, oh my God, my Picasso charts. Let me remove this. Bro, you never have to ask me about buy zones on USDT levels, because why? It's very simple. I gave you guys an indicator and the indicator can tell you without any ETA needed. So Bake, we retested over here. It's the same. I really don't get it, people that don't have this indicator. It makes me so angry. Boom, up, came down, on the dump, on the nose, we hit it over here. On the nose. This is how the team makes money. They put buy orders on the indicator. Boom, 30 cents on the bounce. They doubled the money. Free money. Just put those freaking buy orders near the indicator in case we got a flash crash. You got filled. You doubled your money. You're not going to double your money. It takes you a lot of effort to double your money here. But when you just place those damn low buy orders, you can make money. So for me, well, the US500, we'll get to that later. So for me, this is at this moment, baked. It needs to come back to the 35 cents regions, bro. I'm not going to ape in on Bake, especially it's not in my top 10 or top 20 coins. I shared it because it was super wrecked over here. So even you can put on your alarm over here. We didn't even break the indicator. If it comes back over here, I might scoop some Bake. I will buy myself a nice bag, and it's only because this is looking super bullish and not this one. This one is also super wrecked, but this one, I'm eyeing this one. So if my alarm goes off over here, I might scoop some. So that's about that. There was another coin I wanted to show you guys. Where was it? Yes, was it this one? Yeah, no, it's not this one. What was it? Let me look it up, guys. I'm trying to show you guys the best coin. So some patience, please. Trying to show you guys where the money is. You need to find the money. To make money, you need to find money. That's how it works in trading and in investing. Yeah, guys, this one. Look at it. This is really madness. This is not the right chart, by the way. This is a Mexc chart, so it's not over here. Guys, this I need to find where is that chart. By the way, this cock is doing great, but this was not the chart. Yes, I've been sharing. This one is also, guys, in my top 20 altcoins, like shared before, Deso, and I'm really waiting for this thing. It needs to hit over. It needs to come back to this box. When it comes back to this box, make sure that you know that I am buying some. So Deso, if it comes back to the $30 range over here or lower, I will start DCA buying some of this. The GHX, I need to get another chart for that one. Let me do it another time. So the one that I want to show you guys also on my top 20 is Deso, guys. It already made a nice run up, but I think that Deso will do much better. So it needs to come back first. Let me show you guys. There was another coin I wanted to show you guys. Where was it? Yeah, Woo, guys. Woo is also on my list, guys, because it's, look at it, guys. Woo is on my list, guys. Woo, if it drops down, I will buy a lot of Woo. And the best scenarios, if this thing will just come back to the 35 cents regions over here. This was also the breakout, as you can see over here. This was the breakout. Boom, boom, come back, retest over here, because we never came back to the indicator, as you guys can see. So I want this thing to come back. So come back, retest it, and also this is a very important zone. So guys, 30, let's just say for the conservative, from 40 cents to 35 cents, guys. I want something like this to happen, something like this. We made a nice rise up over here. Here we came back over here, we did something like here, and then we come back, make a higher low over here, and then from here we start mooning again. So this is what I'm eyeing, this scenario. This is what I want. This is what I want to see. Up, 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 up. You can even make an A, B, C, D, E from it. And I hope that E will be the massive one. It could be. Good an ABC. For the technical people following me, you know, guys, I always do the simple TA. I don't like to use the RSIs and the this and the lines and the fibs and the that. But let me do for the technical people following me so they, well, enjoy themselves a bit. A, B, C, D, and this must be the explosive one, E. And we're trying to buy this one over here. This is what we want to buy. So we can make a nice double, a minimum of an. I'll go pretty big, guys. On Woo. I will go pretty big on Woo. So that's another one I want to show you guys. I also wanted to show you guys another coin. Guys, I'm going to show you all the coins. You want altcoins, you want Degen. I will show you coins. This is also one I'm very bullish on, guys. Route, whatever you want to call it. Route, the router protocol. Guys, this is a Mexc. This one, if this thing comes back to these regions, guys, you have to really start praying that Bitcoin dumps very hard, because there are so much coins to be bought up. Really, really good, solid Degen coins that can make us a lot of money. Start praying, guys, and take. It's like a share on X. I know for sure that the MWhalekiller retail fam will be the most successful trading community in all CT. I know this for 100% sure. And when markets go up and don't want to come down, it might not look like that. But at some point, people are going to get wrecked. And when people are going to get wrecked, we will not be one of those. And when they are wrecked, they don't have the money to buy in over here, because they're already all in over here. And that's when we will be the Warren Buffetts of crypto, and we will buy all that shit up and make the biggest gains. So when they are at break even, we will be we already doubled the money. We'll be selling our bags to them. So guys, put in the alarms over here. Router protocol, do some research on this coin. But if this coin comes back to this $3 range, $2, $2.50, boy, I will be buying a lot of router. Another one. You want my top 20 coins? I'm showing you my top 20 coins. You guys wanted my top 20 coins? I will show you my top 20 coins. I already shared this, by the way. So congrats to everyone that bought in and made. The team made, I think, something like, I'm only talking on spot. It's not even on leverage. On spot, they made something like, what was it, 90, 110%. So they doubled the money and it went into the box and it went even higher. Well, Solana, I just told you Solana. Look, Solana. I just told you about Solana. It's already pumping to the 172. So it's closing into the targets. Solana 173. Well, it's going. Where is my Solana chart? Let me go back to my Solana chart. Where are you, Solana? We were just. Where are you, Solana? Solana. I hate it when I can't find my coins. You know, I've got so many coins. Oh, is this where I put my Solana? No, it was not here. So where is Solana? You don't want to show up? Where is Solana? Solana. I cannot find it. Is it over here? No, it's not over here either. So where is Solana then? Man, if it's not over there, and it's not over there, and it's not over there, where is Solana? Where are you? Where are you, Solana? Solana. I was just charting Solana. Where's Solana? Oh, here it is. So you see, we broke this trend line. I thought it would. Let me remove it now. Look, now this is the resistance line. We're closing and we're very close. So I think that the team will start DCA opening shorts over here. I think they will start DCA opening shorts over here. Yes, I put an alarm over here. I think that the team will start. If not, they're even that are already in. But this is looking very dangerous for the team to short. So, team, if you're watching this vid, if you're gonna watch this vid, this is looking too strong for me, and this is also looking too strong for me. So, would I think that Solana would be a safe short? I don't think so. Maybe if we'll reach this box, maybe if we'll reach this line over here. Okay, but now this is a dangerous short. So if those freaks will get there, this would be a better entry around the 200. That would be a much better entry, because if we would reach the 200, this one would also be around here, and this one would also reach around here, and that would be a safe way to open up a short on Solana. So I hope that you guys just understood what I just said. So let me go back to my coin. How 33 minutes. Oh my god, we have to close it up, guys. Sorry, I wanted to show you guys a lot more very exciting coins to go in and trade on, but I have to close it up because we're at 33 minutes. Guys, I want to thank you all. If you want daily alpha like this and a lot of education and understanding why to long, what to long, why to short, what to short, to own the best indicator, as you guys can see over here, in the world for free. There is a link below, Weex. There is, by the way, there is a campaign opened up today. It's a really a crazy campaign. I really don't get it. It's on a 5K deposit, you'll get $1,000 in future bonuses. It's madness. On all the other exchanges to get 1,000, you mostly have to deposit like 20K, 15K, 30K. I don't know what's going on, but they opened it up especially for the retail fam, only for the retail members. So if you want to join Weex, they're really killing it. Push on the like, guys. Links are below, description is below, everything you need to know is below. Have a nice one and bye bye.